Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to format your USB. Alright, let's get started. So first you're going to want to type in this PC and then click that, and then you're going to want to find your USB. My USB is right here. You're going to hit right click and then hit that, format, and then here you'll see the capacity, file type, just leave it on default, this, and then here just label it whatever you want. I'm gonna label it 2, 3, 4, 5, and then quick format is okay, and then hit start. And then format will erase all data. Okay. Give it a second. And there you go. That's how you format your USB. And here you'll see the name. Thanks for watching. This is How To Tech Tips. Cheers.